So we've made it to Melissani Cave. That's where we're driving to today. The first stop, it's like supposedly a cave where a light shines through into the water. So we drove down there and see how it goes. Let's do it. So we got our ticket. It's time to do it. We got here earlier because we heard of the massive queues and absolutely fucking no one. But yeah, let's check the cave out. Let's do it. Okay, so that was pretty damn awesome, pretty cool. Don't know if you can tell on here, but the mist was like rising in the cave and the sun was hitting the water. It was beautiful. Got some new sunglasses, by the way. Might be a bit too small for my face, but let's see. My one's broke. We've now arrived at our next destination. Would you believe it? Yet another beach. It's called Agia Paraskevi. Apparently it's got some clear waters, so we've just parked opposite. It's over there somewhere, so we're going to check it out and see how it is, and probably swim once again. That's just our life at the moment. I'm not complaining, but yeah, Agia Paraskevi, here we go. Let's do it. This is a little walkway to get to the beach. It's pretty damn cute. That was a nice few hours spent sunbathing on the beach, which was called what, Tara? Pescatore or some shit like that. But yeah, we've had a nice few hours sunbathing there, swimming in the sea, and now we're going to drive over to Sami to get some food, fill our bellies, because I'm absolutely starving.
Agia Paraskevi.
Okay, apparently it's called Agia Paraskevi.
Close.
So yeah, we know what it's called. But yeah, over to Sami for some lunch, fill our bellies, because believe it or not, it's actually quite hungry work doing nothing in the heat, but it's a tough life. You got to do what you got to do.
This is what happens when you're just driving.
Nice. We've made it to Sami. Woohoo! I think that's about as excited as my voice can get, but there you go. We're in Sami. There's Tara. It's time for a spot of lunch because we are starving, and it is absolutely boiling. Got a cute little place. Here's the Sami dock. Again, extremely clear water. Beautiful. So here we have our bite to eat. Tara, what have you got?
Chicken souvlaki.
And I've got pistachio. Woohoo! Lunch has been had. How was yours, Tara?
Very nice, delicious, refreshing.
So that's filled us up a bit. Just having a quick mooch around Scala. Where the fuck are we? Sami, sorry. Just gonna have a quick mooch around Sami, and then we're gonna head over to, once again, yet another beach. We're going to Antisamos Beach next, which is just up the road, and probably have another swim there, see some more fishes. And yeah, but yeah, this is Sami. It's very nice, very cute little port, but time to go and have a swim in Antisamos, I think. And here we have Antisamos, the next beach of the day. The water is well clear. We've got a sun lounger right next to the sea, so not a long distance travel to swim in. Thoughts, Tara? Pretty beautiful. So this is Antisamos Beach. Lovely clear waters. There's Tara having a swim, and the fish are well close to the shore, which is pretty ridiculous. All in all, a really nice beach. So that's the end of our swim in Antisamos, and pretty much end of the day. Now we're going to head back to the hotel and maybe dip in the pool, have something to eat and go to sleep, ready for tomorrow. Have you enjoyed today so far, Tara? Yeah. Let me try that again without stuttering. Have you enjoyed today, Tara?
Yeah.
Just yeah?
Very much.
Very much.
It's been amazing.
Goodbye. So we're not actually finished yet. We have to pull in to show the view overlooking Antisamos Beach. Pretty damn incredible.